If you're wondering how to get your P60 or what to do if you've lost it, this video covers everything. How your employer issues it, how to get a replacement, what HMRC can and can't do, and how to order a copy P60 online if you need one quickly. Let's start with the basics. Your P60 is your end-of-year tax certificate. It shows your total gross pay for the tax year, how much income tax was deducted, your national insurance contributions, any student loan repayments, and your employer's PAYE reference. Employers are legally required to issue it by the 31st of May following the end of the tax year on the 5th of April. So the first thing to do if you haven't received yours is simply ask. Your employer is obliged to provide it. If they sent it by post and it went missing, they should be able to produce another copy, especially if it's for a recent year. Now, what if your employer can't help? You have three options. The first is HMRC. They won't issue a duplicate P60, but they will provide you with a statement of earnings showing the same information. You can get this through your personal tax account at gov.uk. It's free, and it's usually accepted wherever a P60 would be accepted. You can also call HMRC directly on 03002 003300, Monday to Friday. The second option is creating a replacement P60 online. If you have your pay information, whether from HMRC, your employer, or your own records, you can create a professional P60 document on the correct stationery in a matter of minutes. OS Payroll provides this service from £17, and you get a free sample before you pay anything. The third option applies if you don't have the full data. Our system can calculate your income tax and national insurance from your gross salary and tax code. For most standard situations, this will be accurate. But for complete accuracy, particularly if you had sickness, maternity pay, or other deductions during the year, we always recommend getting the official figures from HMRC first. A few things worth knowing about replacement P60s. The document we produce is printed on genuine payroll stationery, the same orange and blue format you'd receive from most employers. It does not say replacement, copy, or duplicate. Banks, mortgage lenders, and landlords won't be able to tell the difference. We also stock stationery going back over 20 years, so if you need a P60 for a previous tax year, whether that's last year or 10 years ago, we can produce it for you. Again, we'd recommend getting your earnings figures from HMRC first to ensure accuracy. One final thing, your P60 only comes from your employer, not from HMRC. If you're self-employed, you don't receive a P60 at all. If you're both employed and self-employed, you'll get a P60 for the PAYE portion of your earnings, but your self-employment income is covered by your SA 302 from HMRC instead. The free sample is at os-payroll.co.uk. No sign-up needed. Enter your details, see the document, and only pay if you're happy with it. If this was useful, give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.